grab that. Grab it. Feels like spring. Yes, it is. It's spring. Let's go back for a weekend. So, we're almost at 50 to 10. We're going to razz it through here, and it's going to be through the rollers there. And some forest bar. Some big stuff. We use this for old handrail ends or some slam plates. We hammer it. This one here is four-sided, so we've got two lots of rollers and round stuff goes through these, and it puts like a tree bark, rose bark, snake skin, call it what you want. But we want these through here, quick sharp, and that goes through there. We bring them through there. All sizes from 6mm up to 20mm round bars. And that fires in through there. On the boys over there. So that's where Scott we've got. Come on, Abby. Come on, Abby. Come on, Abby. You want to go? Down, Abby, under a rock. Come on, lad. So what we've got here, we've got some scrolls with blasting these out here. Joe wants to be on it. Come on. We've got the brush, right? So that's them. And we've drawn it on forward and pushed in. So we've got that one there. Basically banging through enclosure again. Well, these are all for the panels there. And then we pull them around this tree here. Not doing it with power on because the machine's all got power on. So that's that. And I've got some old panels for Dalton Engineering, making some of these. Carl just bossed one of them. So we do these in two sections, a left and a right. Putting scrolls and collars and all that sort of gear on. And got some 6mm round. I'm going to make some pigtails. Lock that into place. Start pulling that round. Now it's locked in. Open that by hand. These are all for grape and leaf. So like ornamental pigtails. And we rest them round there like that. You know, basically. All bits and bobs like that, they're all coming off these grapes. That's that job we started last week and it's bigger than I thought it was. So we've also got round panels like that. Here's what I made earlier. So there, get all your gear for spring, you know, decorative or non-decorative, play as you want, get it all down here, we've got Swift, we'll do it. Now get out of the shop!